Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can schedule an email on Gmail. So if you want to send an email at specific day and time, then you can do that really easily. What we need to do is first of all compose a message. So let's fill this up. After we fill everything in, instead of clicking send, we want to click on this arrow next to the send button, and then we will find schedule send. So let's click that. We have some preset options. We have this morning, this afternoon, and Monday morning, which we can freely use like so. Let's undo for a sec. Let's go back to the compose and once again schedule send. If we want to, we can also be precise and pick date and time at the bottom of this window. And then we have the option with the calendar where we can pick up the date, and we can also write the time. If you don't like the time that is suggested right now, we can write a new one, let's say 6 p.m. like so. And after that we can click schedule send, and we will see that send schedule for Friday, February, or any date that you have picked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.